Welcome to Iris Core. Today we'll show you how to easily remove a background using Photoshop. For most photos, you can easily remove the background using Photoshop's built-in Remove Background option. However, this feature isn't perfect. It can sometimes remove too much or too little. In this case, it removed far too much, so we'll need to try another method. Now, we'll select the Object Selection tool and click on the crow. Unfortunately, the tool doesn't detect the bridge railing the crow is standing on, so we'll need to try yet another method. We'll use the Quick Selection tool to select the bridge railing. Ensure it's set to Add to Selection mode, and then carefully use it to highlight the railing. Be sure to double-check any areas the Quick Selection tool might have missed, and carefully trace over them to ensure an accurate selection. Once you've finished selecting, simply press Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V, copy and paste. This will create a new layer with just the selected part of the photo, removing the background. And that's it for our background removal tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials.